Hey there, welcome again on my YouTube channel. And today we discuss about the low level programming language and the high level programming language. So today we define low level language and high level language. These both are the type of programming language. So let's start our video. So let's start our topic at the first low level language. A low level programming language is directly deals with the computer's hardware and is present in the front of a machine or a binary language. We can say a low level programming language is a native language for the machines and the computers. This type of language does not require a compiler or interpreter. So the programming written in the low programs language execute and fast. So far, there are two types of the low level programming language. There are types of language such as a machine language. A machine language is in the form of 0 and the 1 form. The hexadecimal form base of 16. The programs you can written in the machine language do not require any converter because of that these are already in the form of the computers understand. Hence, they are run faster than the programming written in the other types of the language that's known as the programming language. And the second is assembly language. Assembly language is another type of low-level programming language. Assembly language ASM is a programming machines language that is specially designed for the communicate with the computer's hardware. Programs are written in the assembly language later in the assembles or the convert the instructions into the machine code. They consume less space and execute faster. So in the next part of the video we discuss about high level language. What are the high level language? High level languages are a most legible programming language and the mostly they are the mostly all the high level programming languages come with the English syntax and making it too easy for the developers or a programmer to the code. Such the language requires a compiler or a interpreter for to convert a program into the machine or executable code. So there are some popular high level programming languages are the Python, Java, PHP, JavaScript, Perl, Ruby, Objective-C, Swift, Pascal, and the LISP. So these are I think 8 or 9 main types, but today the hundreds of the languages are 1.5 hundreds today. Most such as dot language are and some other level of the types of language. So these all are the I think high level language. High level language are the three types follows: procedural oriented, procedural oriented programming POP or languages are based on the concept of a predicate called each of the predicate consists of the series of the communications tasks that is performed by a machine and by a computer, which creates a program and originate the program with divided into different parts. And other one is object oriented programming language, OOPS language to work on the concepts of object that will be combinations of the data and the functions working in a data form that everything OOPS requires as a object. It is a programming purpose is to combine data and the functions together as so as more. Other part of the program can access that data such as C++, Python, Java, and C are the programming as popular language. So I hope that you get deeply informed and you get a fully knowledge. You get fully informed by the programming types and language. And today was our topic difference between the low level language and high level programming language. So thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and thanks a lot.